Hi guys, my name is Achal Bhurjekar, roll number 1861214, batch F5. My topic is optical fiber fabrication. What is optical fiber? An optical fiber is a hair thin cylindrical fiberglass or any transparent dielectrical medium. The fiber which are used for optical communication are waveguides made of transparent dielectrical. Structure of optical fiber. The core, cladding, buffer, coating. This is the coating of optical fiber. Core, central tube of very thin size made up of optically transparent dielectric medium and carries the light from transmitter to receiver. Cladding, outer optical material surrounding the core having reflecting index lower than core. It helps to keep the light reflecting index lower than core. Buffer coating, plastic coating that protects the fiber made of silicone rubber. Uh, then working and principle, total internal reflection TIR, when an ray of light travels from a denser to a rarer medium such that the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, the ray reflects back into the same medium. This phenomenon is called a total internal reflection. In the optical fiber, the ray undergo repeated total number of reflection until it emerges out of the other end of the fiber, even it is fiber bent. Classification of optical fiber. There are two types of optical fiber: number of modes and reflective index. In number of modes, there are again two types of modes, that is single mode and another is multi mode. The also in reflective index there are two types, that is step index optical fiber and graded index optical fiber. On the basis of number of modes, single mode fabrication. In single mode fiber, only one mode can propagate through the fiber. It has small core diameter and high cladding diameter. Difference between the refractive index of core and cladding is very small. The light is passed to the single mode fiber through laser mode. Then the basis of refractive index, single index fiber and graded index fiber. Step index optical fiber, the refractive index of core and cladding are constant. The light ray propagate through it in form of mini diagonal rays which cross the fiber axis during every reflection at the core cladding boundary. In this type of fiber, core has a non-uniform refractive index that gradually decreases from the center towards the core cladding interface. Cladding has the uniform refractive index. Optical fiber communication system. There are information source, electrical transmitter, optical source, optical cable, optical detector, electrical receiver and destination. Information source, it provides an electrical to a transmitter comprising an electrical stage. Electrical transmitter, it drives an optical source to give an modulation of the light wave carrier. Optical source, it provides the electrical optical conversion. It may be semiconductor or LED. Optical cable, it serves as transmission medium. Optical detector, it is responsible for optical to electrical conversion of data. Electrical receiver, it is used for electrical interfacing at the receiver end of the optical link and to perform the signal processing electrically. Destination, it is the final point at which we receive the information in the form electrically signal. Optical fibers advantages and disadvantages. The advantages is small size and lightweight, high signal security. Third is very low transmission loss. Again, fourth is total electrical isolation in the transmission medium. Fifth is very low power consumption and a wide scope of system expansion. Disadvantages: optical system installation is very costly. Only point to point communication is possible. Uh, it is costly instrument would be required. Splicing is time consuming. It accepts only unipolar codes. Applications: optical fiber have wider range of application in almost all fields. Some are specified below. That is telecommunication, military application, broadband communication or application. Conclusion: uh, at the last, there are some negatives of using optical fiber communication system in terms of splicing, coupling, setup expenses, etc. But it is an avoidable fact that optical fiber has revolutionized the field of communication. As soon as computers will be capable of processing optical signals, the total area of communication opticalized immediately. Thank you.